Hi everyone, my name is Joy and welcome to the GetReviews.ai YouTube channel. If you're an Amazon seller and looking to boost sales and attract more customers, coupons and promotion codes are a powerful way to drive conversions. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating single-time use coupon codes for your next marketing campaign. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the menu on the left-hand side. Select the Advertising tab, then Promotions. As of March 2025, there are 3 types of promotions that can be set up on Amazon. First is a social media promotion code. This allows you to create a custom promotion code and you'll receive a unique marketing page to share with customers through social media, emails, or influencing marketing. You can control how to market the promotion and how many units and transactions customers can redeem. Second is setting up a buy one, get one offer. You can set up a limited time buy one or many get one free offer to spotlight a new product or to get your current customers to buy differently. Third are percentage off coupon codes. This video will dive deeper into this specific type of promotion. Once you're ready, click the Create button. In step 1, you'll be able to set the conditions of the promotion code. You can decide whether or not the customer has to meet a minimum amount or quantity amount, or for every quantity of items purchased. Amongst GetReviews customers, we notice that the quantity amount is the most selected. So let's say that the customer must have purchased at least 1. So we'll place 1 in this field. You can then determine what product the customer has to purchase in order to receive this promotion code. You can determine by ASIN list, SKU list, or select your entire catalog. If there are any specific ASINs, you can simply enter the 1 ASIN per line. We will select the entire catalog. This is optional, but if you want to exclude specific products from being included in the percentage off promotion codes, you can also include it here. Then determine the benefit the customer will get once they meet these conditions. Again, since we are offering a percentage discount, you can write in your desired number here. For this example, we will say the customer will receive 15% off. Then you can set a budget for the percentage off promotion codes. The budget must be a minimum of $100 and a maximum of $100,000. The budget you set determines how much you're willing to spend on the discounts before Amazon deactivates the coupon. Amazon will deactivate it once you hit 80% of your budget. Our budget in this example will be $1,000. Then you can set up tiers, which means offering different discount levels based on the quantity of items a customer purchases. This is also known as tiered discounts or volume-based coupons. For example, you can create a coupon that offers 15% off when buying 1 item, 20% when buying 2 items, or 30% when buying 3 or more items. In step 2, you'll be able to set the scheduling of the promotion codes by determining the start and end date. Let's say we want to set the start date of the promotion to be March 1st. The furthest date we can select can be a maximum of 6 months away. For this example, we will say that the promotion will end on March 31st. In step 3, there are additional options when setting up your promotion code. First, you'll be asked to write a promotion title, so you can write an appropriate title that you can easily manage and reference. This title will not be shown to the customer. Adding a tracking ID allows you to track the performance of specific coupons. This is useful for measuring the effectiveness of different promotions, campaigns, or customer segments. For example, if you run multiple marketing campaigns, you could create different coupon codes with unique tracking IDs, such as 15 off March-2025. Here you'll be able to determine the type of claim codes. You have a few options such as single-use, group, or none. Single-use coupon codes are unique codes that can only be redeemed once per customer. They are useful for limiting coupon abuse and preventing discounts from being shared publicly. Group coupon code is something that multiple customers can use, and it's great for public promotions. In this example, we will only set up single-time use coupon codes. Next, you can determine whether or not you want it to be a stacked promotion. Stack promotions refer to multiple discounts or promotions that can be applied together on the same product. Usually, we see our Get Reviews customers select no, do not allow stacking. Once you've filled out all of the details, you can click the review button in the very bottom. Once you review all of the conditions and details of your coupon code, and if you're ready to submit, click the Submit button on the top left-hand side. Click Manage Claim Codes. This allows you to generate single-use codes instead of a general code. Write in a claim code group name and the quantity of single-time use codes you would like to receive so you can distribute it to your customers. For example, let's say we want 200 codes. Once you click the Create button, it'll take a few minutes in order for Amazon to prepare the 200 claim codes for you. Just wait a few minutes, and then once it's ready, you'll be able to download it on the right-hand side. Once you click download, you'll be able to see a text file of the claim codes that you can distribute to customers. And that's it. Your 200 single-time use claim codes are ready and now can be shared.